ninth birthday because tomorrow is actually her birthday, and we have each of you give your comments on how the day went. Let's start with Ruchi. Did you enjoy the day?
No, start with somebody else.
No, okay. Let's start with Sony. Did you enjoy the day?
Oh yes, I enjoyed
Absolutely
the day very
not.
carefully.
Did anybody not enjoy the day at all? I want their comments.
No,
I will comment. Can we go to the bathroom? Thank you.
That's a bad one. So what we did today is go to bowling and then go to Pizza Hut for dinner, and then now we are getting ready to cut our cake, and that's it. All right, yes, you have something to say?
One more thing. Happy birthday, Akshaya.
Yes, Akshaya is not here. All right.
Where's Akshaya?
This is Akshaya's birthday cake. She's turning 9 tomorrow, and this time I didn't make a cake. I just bought it.
E for you.
Says happy birthday Akshaya.
A for you. A.
And here is everybody waiting for Akshaya. And where is the mystery girl? Let's see. Hi Abhinav, he's making an umbrella for his sister to give as a birthday present with his building blocks. Are you making a present, Abhinav?
Yeah, no, I'm not going to make a present for Akshaya.
Okay, what is your present?
My present.
Umbrella.
I'm going to make a present for Akshaya.
Okay, what is your present?
Akshaya's present is an umbrella.
Is an umbrella?
Yes.
Okay, can you make it and then show me?
Oh, okay, I'll make the umbrella.
Is that your umbrella?
Yeah, but I need to put this on because it's stuck.
It's stuck? Okay. Fix it fast because she's gonna come now.
No.
Is your present is ready?
Yes.
Is that an umbrella for your sister?
Yes.
ஐயோ வந்து 2 minutesல பண்ணிடுது கிடு கிடு கிடுன்னு பிளாக்ஸ்ல umbrella. Okay, and why is this umbrella for?
Akshaya.
That's fine. That's for who? You are answering the wrong answer. Okay, here Abhinav, what is the use of this umbrella? Where do you take this umbrella?
To rain.
To the rain? When it rains, you keep an umbrella. Go check where your sister is.
When the rain comes here, when the rain comes here, then you have to open your umbrella.
Okay. How do you open this umbrella? Can you show me how to open that umbrella?
But I'm gonna make a button.
He said he's gonna make a button.
Oh, you're going to make a button to open the umbrella?
Do this. See, look.
That's a button to press?
Put it here. You forgot the button. No, here, look.
He forgot the button for his umbrella?
See, that's not what.
Okay.
That is a button.
Okay, that's the button. Okay, now Akka is here. You can present your gift to
It's your
Akka.
present.
Here is your present. Inge va, inge va. Come over. Here is Akshaya, the birthday girl.
Balloon.
Inge va. Abhinav. Abhinav, come closer. Anga nilla.
Yes, give me the present.
Anga nilla Akshaya.
Akshaya has to come.
Okay. Akshaya, stand with Abhinav there on the chair.
Come here. No, I'm stuck.
The only thing that is different from last birthday is Akshaya has her glasses. That's one thing. Another thing is this birthday is exclusively only for kids, no adults, except me and her dad.
And here is a kid who doesn't want to be here.
No, he is fixing his umbrella. It broke. That's why. Leave him. He'll climb on the chair. Here is Mahesh, who took all the effort to bring kids from Parsippany, her friends, and all the credit for this birthday goes to her dad. Sony, come closer. Come closer, Sony. Okay, good. Akshaya, everybody look up. Here. Hey, Abhinav, look up. Hey, look up now. Light bakra. Thank you. Okay, ninga and the pakku nillunga and let us cut the cake. Let's sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Akshaya. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you now? Sorry.
Okay, you want to sing? Shivani, you sing. You are saying something.
One are Are you two? Are you too funny? Bye.
Luckily, this is not our 80th birthday. It will go on for 2
Are you 7?
Are you 8? 9?
Hey, come on.
Then blow it. Blow the candle, my dear.
Are you 1000?
Akshaya, blow the candle. Before that, you're feeding her.
Blow the candle.
You make noise.
It's okay. Akshaya, please blow it because the candle is melting and falling into the cake.
Yay!
I wish for nothing.
Okay, another piece.
I can't think of anything.
And then, let's quickly cut the pieces. Come, give it to me.
What about your mom?
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Abhinav, can you give to your sister? அவளை கொஞ்சோண்டு கேக் ஊட்டி விடு.
You won't.
இந்தா கொஞ்சம் கேக் எடுத்து அக்கா கொடு.
No, because my hands full of dirt.
Because my
hands
This is Abhinav. இந்தா Abhinav உனக்கு.
I want that number.
It's chocolate?
Okay, I put.
I want that number.
I'll give you the number 9. But do you want to eat the cake little bit?
That's my present. You put the umbrella.
Okay, forget it. Okay, let's cut the cake now.
No, no, let's go.
Let's eat it.
No, let's blow the candle.
Blow the candle, lah. It's all over. It's coming over.
Okay, enough.
He's like, blow the candle.
Saying no.